Okay, here we go. This is 2.4, combining like terms and distributive property. Just some help with some of these practice problems here. First section is just simplifying the expressions. We're just combining the like terms, right? So we have our y's we have to combine, and then we've got our constants. So let's combine our y's. We have 6y's here, 2y's here. That's a total of 8y's. All right, now I'm done with them. Now I have, you can try to completely ignore this. We just have negative 8 plus 5. Right? You owe somebody $8. You pay him back 5. You are still in debt $3. Okay? All right, moving on. Number 2, we'll do this one as well. Negative 5a. All right, so we can think about this as 5 negative a's. Right? That's one way to think about this. And then 1 positive a. 1 positive and 1 negative will cancel out. So I'm left with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 negative a's. Okay. So now I'm done with that. This went with the negative 5. So now I have 9 plus 2. That's 11. All right. Make sure that you're always writing the variable term first. On the quiz, I'm going to have to make sure that you write whatever term has the variable, make sure that's written first. Okay? All right. Now, same thing here. It's just going ahead and got 3 different terms to add. We got 6r plus 2r's, so that's 8r's. And then we take away 5 of those r's, we're left with 3r. Right? 6, 7, 8 minus 5 is 3. All right, now I'm done with the r's. Let's just combine our constants. I have 4 plus 1, that's 5. Okay, looks like you guys should be able to do the rest. Well, maybe we'll look at number 7. We got a fraction. Just remember when you're combining these like terms, we're talking about h's, but we could just add these up as normal. We're just going to like treat the numbers as normal. So we have 1 plus 5. That's 6. Remember when we add and subtract, we keep the denominator the same. So that's not 4, we just keep it the same. So that's 6 over 2, which reduces down to 3. And just remember we were talking about h's, right? So we have 3h. And now, of course, you can definitely use your calculator, and you should use your calculator, if nothing else, to check your answer. Remember that is the n over d key on your calculator. All right, and then the constants. Positive 5, a minus 3, that's pretty easy. Okay, next section. Simplify the expression by using distributive property. So we're just going multiplying 4 times this term and then times the next one. 4 times x. 4 times x is just 4x. All right, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, if you're having a hard time conceptualizing this, this is really just saying there's 4 sets of x plus 3. So you have x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, and if we count that up, 1, 2, 3, 4 x's, 3, 6, 9, 12. There we go. Okay. All right. It doesn't really matter, right? Because multiplication has commutative property, right? We remember that from last week. So we can multiply this one the same way. Okay, so 2 times negative 3, 2 times 2r. I'll do the first one. 2 times 2r is 4r, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay. All right, we got decimals, but that doesn't change a thing on that one. Number 11, make sure that you're distributing negative 8, right? It's negative 8 times e, so this is negative 8p. And then when you do the second one, a lot of times students forget the second one. This is still negative 8 times negative 3. Negative times the negative is positive 24. All right. So 16 and 15, same thing. You need to make sure that you are using your calculator if you need to. This is 2/3 times 6, which is 4n, and 2 times, so another way to do this is to do 2 times Negative 9 divided by 3. So 2 times 9 is 18, divided by 3 is 6. So this is negative 6. If you don't believe it, use your calculator, check it out. It works. You guys can try 15, just using a fraction, or use your fraction button. All right, now this is just kind of putting these all together. 17 and 18 look pretty easy. Let's do 19. Okay, so we're going to distribute this negative 2. So negative 2 times r is just negative 2r. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. Don't forget to then drop down this 6r and then combine like terms. 6r's minus 2r's, we're left with 4r's. No like terms to combine that 8 with, we just drop it down into the answer. Circle it, we're done. All right, let's do this one here. 2 times s is 2s. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Drop down this positive 17s. Combine like terms, we're left with 19s minus 6. Okay, I'll do, which one should I do here? I think 24 is a little bit trickier, so let's do that one. First thing we got to do is distribute. So 3 times 2u is 6u, and 3 times 1 6, you can use your calculator on that. Oh, that is a u. 6u, sorry. 3 times 1 6 is 1/2. And then we're just going to drop down this other 1/2, combine like terms. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1, so you're left with 6u plus 1. Okay, let's take a look here. See some mistakes. Let's look at 26. Classic mistake here. They got negative 2d, that is correct. Negative 2 times negative 4 is a positive 8. There's their mistake. All right. The rest you guys should be able to handle. If not, come meet me at a Google Meet. Good luck.